Hey guys, cooldomino here, and it's time for another unboxing. So hopefully this will be the stopper this time. Haven't checked the label yet, just flipped it over so you won't know where I live. So go ahead and open this up. Alright, go ahead and open this up. And it appears it's a stopper. Nicely packaged. Nothing else left in the box. Put the box aside and then put the stopper. Here's the stopper right here. Oops. There's a stopper right here. You see here. Which is a nice looking stopper. It's an STI stopper. Bring the camera up a little bit more. Just gonna go ahead and put the plastic away. There goes the screws. So this is one of the. So this is a stopper here. Okay, it comes off like that. So this is like a little expansion bracket. Set that aside. So, and how you open it is just kind of lift this up, just like that. And then you can see the whole station. The whole cover comes off, which is nice. Kind of like that little feature. And these are some like awfully long mounting screws. I'm going to go ahead and install this on the board and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the stopper installed as you see here. So you're probably wondering what are stoppers normally used for? Well, one use is that they keep people from tampering with the alarm. In order to pull the fire alarm, you have to lift the stopper in order to get to it. So stoppers are nice because this one doesn't have this feature, but I wish it does. We'll try to eventually find one with a horn. So stoppers are nice because some of them have horns. So like as soon as you lift the stopper, it will sound the horn. Like say if I wanted to tamper with the alarm or pull the alarm as a prank, as soon as I open that, the alarm will start sounding, and then I'll get caught before I had a chance to pull the fire alarm. So that's one use that stoppers are used for. So another use for stoppers is you might see them in like a gym or something. Like if, like say people were having like a traffic cone fight. So like if you threw a traffic cone and heading for the alarm, instead of hitting the alarm, you'll hit the stopper, and the pole station will not get damaged. So that's another use for stoppers. So you're probably asking me to demonstrate the pulling the alarm with the stopper, which I'm going to do right now. So, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, how about silence? Alright, the panel is still into trouble, but I'm going to reset the pole station. So it's a little trickier how to reset the pole station because first I'm going to make my notifier key. So you have to lift the stopper, pole station up, a little tricky, and then you have to reset it with the pole station, or with the stopper. It's a little trickier. I'm actually going to try to key activate it as well. There we go. Alright, let me go ahead and reset the system real quick. Alright. Now, before I leave you for this video, I'm going to do something really quick. I'll be right back. Alright, because why not? I switched out the Notifier BNG1TS on the Firelight BG12L. And to notice, I took the spacer out right here. I took this out because I thought it would look a little better. And I know there's these holes right here, and some people can like reach in there and click the alarm if I have one of these in there. So now, yeah, it looks better now. Look at my keys. So, and okay, now let me just power the panel back on real quick. Okay, I'm putting in a normal. Alright, panel's back on. So, now I'm gonna pull the Firelight BG12L. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to acknowledge. Okay. So I'll do another tutorial on how to acknowledge on my panel. Let's go ahead and go back down to here. See here, now it says activated. And if this was one of the stoppers that had the horn on it, that would be sounding right now. So yeah, let me go ahead and get my keys out there on my panel. So, get my Firelight key. And let's go ahead and put the stopper back on. There we go. Yeah, I need to stabilize my board again. So now I'm going to reset. Yeah, not an alarm anymore. I can put this in normal, and I could turn off auto sounds. So that's pretty much it for the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So yeah, horn to the left. In order to pull the fire alarm, you have to lift the pulsation.